When you take a screenshot on your phone, you can't see it on your iPad automatically. When you record a video on your iPad, you can't see that video on a random laptop. Every device has its own local storage, which is inaccessible to other devices. That's why we use Google Drive. It's a cloud storage system that allows you to see your files no matter what device you're located on. All you need is the Google Drive app, or you just go to drive.google.com and you sign in. So let's download Google Drive if we don't have it already. You can download it from self-service. The best way to find it is to click search in the bottom right corner, go to the search bar, type Drive, and click install. Once downloaded, we will click on the Drive button, the icon. We'll click the blue sign in button. Click continue. If you see your Sacred Heart email address pop up, you can click on it. Otherwise, just type it out, including at student.shslu.org. Then click next. And here you can enter your password, the same one that you got on your card. Then click next. We are in. Teachers, you can pause the video and make sure every student signs into her Google Drive app. Now that we're signed in, let's look at those 4 buttons at the bottom. Priority shows you things that Google Drive thinks are important. The next one is workspaces. We're not going to use this. Next is where you can see files that have been shared with you. And finally, what we really care about, our drive. I'm going to click and hold on this folder to delete it by hitting the trash can. And now my drive looks like yours. It's empty. Let's take some time to get organized so that we don't have just a continuous running stream of files as the year proceeds. So here's what every student will do. She'll hit the plus button, create a new folder, title it the current academic year. Click into the folder by tapping on it, and then add a new folder, plus and folder, for every class that you have this semester. Oops. Then I click create. We're going to create a new folder for each of our courses this semester, and then we'll take a screenshot of that image with all of our folders, and we will upload that screenshot to Schoology. So teachers, you can pause the video now, give students a chance to create a current academic year folder, and then inside have them create a folder for each of their 7 courses, then have them take a screenshot and post that screenshot to the Google Drive assignment in Schoology. Okay, we're back. Let me hit the back arrow. In addition to the current academic year, we need another folder for Notability. So hit plus and then click folder. And here's how you type Notability. This is an app that we use for note-taking. Let me hit create. Now, the note-taking app is totally separate from Google Drive, but we can back up our stuff right here in Google Drive. And so if your Notability ever crashes, which does happen sometimes, you don't lose all your homework. You don't have to start over on your worksheets, on your research papers, all the notes you've taken. You can get them because you stored them and saved them all right here in Google Drive, and Google Drive is accessible from any computer. So create a Notability folder, then click into Notability and create another folder for the current academic year. Teachers, you can pause the video and give each student a chance to do this as well. That covers it for Google Drive. We have a lot of cool Google tools that are available. Hopefully we'll have time at the end of this 2-hour training session so that you all can check out Google Slides and Google Docs. If not, then I encourage you to look at that part, look at those videos when you get home later on. Thanks for watching.